Hi, I'm Jess from Full View Solutions. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite time savers in Bitrix24, quick task creation. It's a tiny button with a massive impact. Whether you're assigning work to your team or just trying to get organized, this feature can save you time, keep things moving, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Let's get into it. First, head over to the Tasks and Projects module. Once that loads, look for a green plus button. That's our quick create tool. A pop-up window appears where you can enter the basics, the task name, description, assignee, and deadline. You can also quickly attach files, add a checklist, or link it to a project. Everything you'd expect in a task, just in a simplified view. On the bottom right, there's a button to open a full task form if you want to add more detail, but for most quick jobs, this light version is perfect. If you want to skip the deadline, Bitrix will ask you to confirm, just so that you're always in control even when moving fast. Once you're done, hit create and you're sorted. And that's it. A few clicks and your task is live. If you haven't tried it already, give it a try. Let us know how it goes. If you found this helpful, like and share with someone who's still buried under sticky notes. And we'll see you in the next one.